Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, my name is Masika Ifuru. Today I am here to do a really quick video showing you how I clean my brushes. If you would like to see how I get my brushes clean, please keep on watching. Using the Sephora Daily Clean Refresh Mini Cleanser. I got this a few days ago from Sephora. I don't need any water, and you would need your cleanser and a towel. Quick drying alcohol-free brush cleanser made with lemon, grapefruit and tea tree oil to cleanse, condition and protect your brushes for extended use. Perfect for sensitive skin. Spray cleanser onto dry towel or cloth, not directly onto the brush, and gently pat on the brush head. First, I'm gonna be trying to clean this Sephora Pro Powder brush number 59. Let me just stop my music because I don't want to be copywritten for this. You see how dirty the bristles are. So I'm gonna spray on the towel. And I'm gonna dabble the bristles on like so. Brush is just getting really clean very easily, which is great. But I'm just gonna give it one more spray and rub it up. Next to the dirty one, and it's like magic. I'm surprised already. All of my brushes are perfectly clean, and all I used was my Sephora cleansing spray and my towel. If there's anything at all that you didn't understand in my video, be sure to leave me your question in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to respond. I really hope this video is helpful to someone. If you are new to my channel, be sure to click on my picture right here and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you very, very much for watching. Have a lovely, lovely rest of your day. Stay safe, stay happy, stay pretty.